Hi friends, welcome to Mech Plaza.
Look at me, I'm
Today we are going to discuss about what is bearings and type of bearings. So let's see what is bearings. Bearing is the machine elements which are support the rotating parts of a machine and reduce frictions are called bearings. For example, to stop deviation in a shaft of a machine while rotating, a bearing is used. The word bearing is derived from the verb to bear. A bearing is a machine element that allows one part to bear another. The main functions of bearings are to reduce friction between moving rotatory parts, to support rotating parts of a machine, to bear radial and thrust load. Types of bearings. The bearings mainly classified as two. The one is ball bearings, another one is roller bearings. Let's see what is ball bearings. Ball bearings utilize balls as the rolling elements. They are characterized by point contact between the balls and the raceways. As a rule, ball bearings rotate very quickly but cannot support substantial loads. Ball bearing has four types. The first one is deep groove ball bearings, second one is self-aligning ball bearings, third one is angular contact ball bearings, and last one is thrust ball bearings. Let's see about deep groove ball bearing. Deep groove ball bearings are the most common form of rolling bearings and are used in a variety of applications, particularly those where high speeds and low power loss are required. Deep groove ball bearing can handle not only radial forces but also moderate axial loads in both directions. They are easy to install and can be deployed in a variety of configurations. Let's see how deep groove ball bearing is functioning. What is angular contact ball bearings? Angular contact ball bearings are characterized by a contact angle. This means that forces are transferred from one raceway to the other at a particular angle. Angular contact ball bearings are therefore suitable for combined loads where high axial forces have to be transferred in addition to radial forces. Let's see one example for angular contact ball bearings. Self-aligning ball bearings. Self-aligning ball bearings include a double row of balls guided by a cage and double row inner ring raceway, but have the special feature of a continuous spherical outer ring raceway, allowing the inner ring or ball. This type of bearing is recommended when alignment of the shaft and the housing are a problem and the shaft could defect. Self-aligning ball bearings are most suitable for absorbing radial forces. The last ball bearing type is thrust ball bearings. Thrust ball bearings consist of two bearings disc with raceways for the balls. Thrust ball bearings were developed solely for absorbing axial forces in one direction, meaning they can locate the shaft axially in one direction. Let's see what is roller bearings. Roller bearings are characterized by line contact. Line contact offers higher load rating than the ball bearings. However, the speed ability is lower than a ball bearing due to the increased friction of a contact line. Let's see what is the types of roller bearings. Roller bearing classified here four types. One is tapered roller bearing, second is spherical roller bearings, third is cylindrical roller bearings, fourth is needle roller bearings. What is spherical roller bearings? Spherical roller bearings are very robust and work on the same principle as self-aligning bearings, with the exceptions that they use spherical rollers instead of ball rollers, allowing higher loads to be supported. This can compensate for misalignments between the shaft and the housing. Spherical roller bearings are suitable for absorbing high radial loads and moderate axial loads. What is cylindrical roller bearings? Cylindrical roller bearings use line contact between the rolling elements and the raceways, which optimizes the distribution of stress factors at the point of contact. This arrangement means that cylindrical roller bearings have a very high radial load rating. Depending on the design, they may also be able to transmit limited amounts of axial loads. What is tapered roller bearings? Tapered roller bearings have tapered raceways in the inner and the outer rings with conical rollers arranged between them. Due to the contact angle, tapered roller bearings can absorb high radial and axial forces in one direction. Tapered roller bearings are often combined in pairs to support axial forces in both directions. What is needle roller bearings? Needle roller bearings are a special type of cylindrical roller bearing which contain long, thin rolling elements known as needle rollers. The ratio of diameter to length is between 1 is 3 and 1 is 10. Needle roller bearings have a high load rating and are only suitable for radial forces. If space is constricted, needle bearings can be a good solution. Thank you for your time. Please subscribe this channel for more videos.
Raindrop, drop